Welcome to Math with Sowmya. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. In this question, solve by factorization. This is also from RS. So here, we take the first term and the last term. Multiply, this is my product here. So 4 into, this is a plus b into a minus b. If I split to get the two product, I can take this is my one product, this is my another product. Middle one, we want negative 4a. So here is also 2, here is also 2. Suppose if I give negative to both of them, I can add this. So what we will get? Minus 2 into a plus b. This will give me minus 2a minus 2b. Minus 2 into a minus b will give me minus 2a plus 2b. So on adding, what I will get? Minus 4a. So this will give me on adding the middle term. Suppose if I multiply these two, minus 2 into a plus b into minus 2 into a minus b, minus into minus plus, plus 4a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. So I reach my product. So these two will be my two numbers here what we can take. So here we can write 4x square minus 2 into a plus b minus 2 into a minus b. Of course, x should be put here. Plus this is a square minus b square. This is equal to 0. In the same way we are doing this as the numbers, how we do the factorization. Now here I can rewrite it. Here 2 can be taken common and x can also be taken common here. This will give me 2x minus a plus b. In this case, a minus b can be taken common. So, negative a minus b. Here I will get 2x minus a plus b. This is equal to 0. So, these two are the common factor here for the we can take 2x minus a plus b. This is my one term and 2x minus a minus b is the another one. So, either this or this will be 0. This will be 0 or 2x minus a minus b will be 0. So, we can find the value of x here easily. X is equal to a plus b. X is equal to a plus b by 2 or 2x is equal to a minus b, x is a minus b by 2. There we get the answer. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. This is one more question from the RS Agarwal. So whenever we have something like this, bring all the x towards one side. So this is a plus b plus x. Take this x here minus 1 by x. This is 1 by a plus 1 by b. Now you just take the LCM of this. X minus of a plus b plus x. Taken the LCM. This will give you the LCM b plus a. Now here x minus a minus b minus x divided by a plus b plus x into x. This one we can write a plus b divided by ab. X goes here. This is minus a minus b divided by a plus b plus x into x. This is equal to a plus b by ab. So now here minus can be taken common factor. So we will get a plus b divided by a plus b plus x into x. This is again a plus b divided by ab. A plus b can be cancelled here. You will get minus 1 divided by a plus b plus x into x. This is equal to 1 by ab. Cross multiply. We will reach this particular one. So taking this here, this can be written as multiply this ax plus bx plus x square. This side we bring this one plus ab. This is equal to 0. So we can just take this one. I will write x square plus ax plus bx plus ab. This is equal to 0. Group it and take the common factor here. X common, x plus a. Here b common, x plus a. This is equal to 0. X plus a into x plus b, which is equal to 0. So x plus a is equal to 0 or x plus b is equal to 0. X is equal to minus a or x is equal to minus b is the answer. Thanks for watching. For latest updates, don't forget to subscribe.